Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. And today I'm back out here at the park again to do some more flying. And I have this Syma HeliFury 360. And so definitely a unique one. I have reviewed this one on the channel before, but I just come out here to fly it around a little bit. I don't remember ever bringing this guy out to a park to fly it in the open space. And so I'm about to bring this guy in the air out here where I got some open space and see really what it can do. And so this thing is a quad. As you can see, it has 4 propellers there, 4 motors. It's just in a different configuration. It's a plus configuration. I guess extended plus because this tail here, the tail motor is a little longer. It's actually made to look like a heli, and I think that's why it's called the HeliFury. And so the only thing I don't like about this thing is that it doesn't have a removable battery. And so you have to charge this guy up after every flying or whatnot, after every flight, to get to fly it again. And so let's get this guy in the air. The on and off switch is right here. It is deviated, so you know I'm flying it with the jumper transmitter. It's on the Syma protocol. It does have altitude hold. I forgot, that's another thing that I don't like about it, the altitude hold. You don't put a lot of picture on these things because they're not all that stable if you have a lot of pitch on it. Has to be a calm day like today with almost no wind to really enjoy this guy. Little squirrel there. Nice range on it because I'm flying it with the jumper. Can't remember if this guy flips. Let's see. Yes, it does flip. Oops, I think I pulled down too long. If you pull down too long with this guy in the air, it will activate the emergency landing. So man, I'm gonna have to hold it like this to try to get this guy back in the air. Let's see if we can. I'm gonna have to find a level surface to get it back in the air. Let's see if this is level enough right here. And it's flashing like crazy as if the battery is dead. Let me switch it off and on again. I guess it didn't like that flip. We're back in the air with it. Now it had to be the down pulling of the throttle stick because the light isn't flashing at all. See, that's the thing, it's hard to do that though, not pull down on the stick when you're flying this guy out, because a lot of times the wind is blowing, you're pulling down to stop it from being blown away, and then before you know it, you fall out of the sky with it. It has a pretty decent yaw rate. Check out the yaw rate. Whoop. We start losing altitude over there. Let me bring it back. So check out the yaw rate. Pretty decent yaw rate. Not bad. It doesn't have a lot of pitch, so you can't really do nice funnels with it. A nice, calm, slow flyer. Yeah, so this one you're either going to love the look of it and like it because of that and the design and all, or you're going to hate it because this thing doesn't fly fast at all. You have to take your time with it too. So let's look at it up close. Check it out. Looks awesome in the air, I think. Kind of reminds me of that aircraft on the Avatar movie. There was a yellow quad in this configuration that I had reviewed on the channel. It was called the Avacopter. I was calling it the Vapcopter because it looked like it just said Vap on the side of it. But anyhow, that guy flew away on me. So it was one of those situations where it was windy and I was trying to fly it. It definitely has more pitch than this one. And so I was feeling brave and flying it out in the wind. And the wind started taking it up in the air and I couldn't get it down fast enough. And once you lose connection with the transmitter with those things, if they don't fall out of the sky, the wind ends up taking them away. So that's one of my pet peeves about these altitude hold quads. They don't make the descent. They don't make the descent on these things fast enough to like fight some wind or something. I guess they're aiming for stability. So when you're coming down slow with it, it helps with stability. But it definitely puts you in danger of losing it. That's if they don't have the feature set up whereas if you lose connection that it'll just fall out of the sky. Sometimes they make the mistake of having it just slowly land when it goes out of range of connection, and the wind will end up just taking it away. So I can say there's a pretty decent flight time on it. Oh, starting to get lower in the battery, so it's starting to suffer from vortex ring state a little. And I can feel a little breeze. The wind has picked up a little. And it just went down. So when it goes down, usually when you flip it back over, it'll stop flashing and allow you to take off again with it. Yeah, but it looks like the battery is really, really low. I was at full throttle and it was still staying down there. It's going down again. So I'm just going to land it. I think I'm going to try to grab it. Oh, it's trying to go down on me. Guess I gotta turn it over. So it's the Syma HeliFury 360, and this is a quad in a plus configuration made to look like a copter, and it flies okay. It has a pretty nice scale look. It's not for the person who wants to fly fast. It's definitely for a finesse flyer or a person who's looking for a more slower scale flight. Either you're going to love it or you're going to hate it. I love it. Thanks for watching.